In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Google Keep notes efficiently and effectively. This simple process will save you time and hassle when you need a physical copy of your notes. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Apps menu. If you're unsure where this is, just look for the small grid icon located in the upper right corner of your Google homepage or any Google service you might be using. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down list of various Google applications. Next, search for the Google Keep icon within this menu. It's typically represented by a light bulb icon symbolizing the bright ideas you jot down. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to Google Keep, where all your notes are stored. Now that you're in Google Keep, take a moment to scan through your notes and identify the one you wish to print. Once you've decided, click on that specific note to open it. After selecting your note, look for the three vertical dots, also known as the More option, usually found at the top right corner of the note. Clicking here will open a menu with several options. From this menu, choose Copy to Google Docs. This option will immediately transfer the contents of your note into a new Google document for easy editing and formatting. Once the document is created, a notification will appear on your screen. Click on Open Doc to access the newly created document in Google Docs. In Google Docs, you'll see the note displayed in a more print-friendly format. To proceed with printing, find the File option located at the top left corner of your screen, right next to Edit. Clicking on File will display a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll need to look for the Print option. Selecting Print will open your browser's print dialog box, where you can choose your desired print settings such as the number of copies or page orientation. Once your preferences are set, click Print to get a physical copy of your note. And there you have it. You've now successfully printed a note from Google Keep using Google Docs. This method not only makes printing easy, but also ensures your notes are neatly formatted